Society wants you soft, comfortable, weak, but real strength, it's forged in suffering. You have to build calluses on your mind. Your hands toughen from work, but your mind, you've let it stay soft. Every time you quit when it gets hard, you're choosing weakness. The solution, do what you hate, every damn day. Most men are running at 40%. You think you're pushing hard? You're coasting. That extra rep you skip, the early alarm you snooze, that's your 40%. The man you could be demands 100%. Respect is earned. Real men don't beg for respect. They take it. Through discipline, through pain, through showing up when others quit. What have you done to earn yours? Suffering is the test. Pain isn't your enemy. It's your proving ground. Every cold shower, every brutal workout. That's the price of greatness. You paying or pretending. You don't know me, son. Your trauma, your pain, that's your weapon. Most men let it break them. The strong ones, they use it to break limits while you're scrolling. Right now, someone's outworking you, outsuffering you, outgrowing you. Time doesn't care about your excuses. The most dangerous man. When you stop fearing failure, you become unstoppable. That's why Goggins says burn your boats. No plan B, just war. You're not tired. You're weak. Your body can handle 10 times more than you think. That voice saying quit, that's not fatigue. That's your weakness talking. Nobody cares. Past wins mean nothing if you're soft today. Real men prove themselves daily. Not when it's easy. Not when they feel like it. Now, embrace discomfort. Every easy choice makes you weaker. Every hard one forges you. The path is simple. Seek discomfort, or stay weak. These aren't quotes. They're a war cry. So what's it gonna be? Comment which one hit hardest, then go prove it.